Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of artificial isotopes. Join us as we venture into the fascinating world of scientists crafting new elements, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and capabilities. Imagine scientists in laboratories, wielding particle accelerators like cosmic forgers. These modern-day alchemists are crafting artificial isotopes, variants of elements with extra or missing particles, opening new frontiers of discovery. Through particle bombardment, researchers transform stable isotopes into their artificial counterparts. These isotopes have unique properties, yielding insights into nuclear physics, medicine, and even fueling nuclear reactors. Artificial isotopes are like keys that unlock the doors to the unknown. They reveal the inner workings of atomic nuclei, helping us understand the forces that bind our universe together. But this pursuit isn't without challenges. Creating and harnessing artificial isotopes demands precision, safety measures, and rigorous research. Yet, the rewards are immense: advancements in medicine, energy, and scientific knowledge. From medical imaging to cancer treatments, these isotopes empower us to peer inside the human body and target diseases at the molecular level. They're also vital for tracing environmental pollutants and exploring the cosmos. As we conclude our exploration of artificial isotopes, we're reminded that human curiosity knows no bounds. From unlocking nuclear secrets to improving lives, our journey into the subatomic realm continues to reshape the world around us. Remember to like and subscribe for more illuminating science episodes. Until next time, let's celebrate the tireless efforts of scientists shaping our future through the creation of artificial isotopes, 1 minute at a time.